If you're struggling to convert leads into sales, this is the course for you. So I'm going to be sharing with you the closing code, right? So if you're struggling to convert leads into sales, this is the course for you, the closing code, and it's currently going for 187. Unlock sales success with the closing code. The creator for the course is called Dominique Williams. And so I'm going to walk you through. This is the sales page for the actual course itself. Struggling to convert your leads into sales, introducing the closing code. Most entrepreneurs fail to close sales because they don't understand the psychology behind selling. In the closing code, you'll discover how to confidently convert leads into buyers without feeling salesy or pushy. You will learn buyer psychology, a selling mindset. You'll get freebies to tell you more about sales, boss offer framework, posting code, the story code, webinars that sell, the convert system, commodity problem, trust funnel, content strategy, page to profit, the DM code, emails that sell, Tease to transaction, and the AI conversion code. So you learn all of these things inside of the closing code, right? A year from now, you're going to wish you would have started today. Okay, so what you will learn, here's why you need the closing code. The 4-step sales psychology framework I use, that's the creator, to close sales daily without overwhelm or burn out. The DM strategies that get strangers in your DMs fast and how to close them immediately. How to overcome objections before they ever even arise by asking the right questions. So this is how to close more sales. So this is some backstory on the course creator. Her name is Dominique, and she said, I started this journey scared, but with prior. Back in August of 2023, I was getting evicted out of my 2-bedroom apartment and my 3 kids and fiance. Even with 2 incomes at the time, people can still fall short, and she fell short. We have 6 kids to feed, and that's a lot of mouth to feed, only with 2 income. And you can read her story when you come on the sales page. So that's a little bit about Dominique. Bonuses when you join today. You get email templates, let me drag that out of the way, plug and play email templates, posting template, exact script on what to post and tailor for your niche, and mock-ups for graphic. You get mini leads generation course to help gain high quality leads, high quality hooks and CTA, that's call to action for your reels and your carousels, and community to help you keep accountable. The community is inside of school. I'll show you that in a minute. Maybe you've been feeling like stuck researching, no real action, no product, no time, watching others win online, craving feedback, and blocked by fear. So how do we change that? You stop researching and start executing. You follow one proven roadmap. You steal my system. So the creator is saying that you steal her system, which is in the closing code that actually works. And you take imperfect, consistent action. If you notice the word imperfect, it didn't say perfect. Take imperfect, consistent action to get there. Get guidance and skip the guesswork. Ready to take control of your finances? Grab it for $187. And here are some testimonials. There is no reason this course should be this good. It's the main reason behind my first 11K month, and I'm still in disbelief. The next one says, you drop mad gems in the closing code. I'm so proud of you. I implemented some email marketing campaigns and signed a 6,500 consulting client to refresh their business plan. That is awesome. And here's someone else, India Boykin. Hope I pronounced her name correctly. My first the closing code sale. Hey everyone, just joined the TCC yesterday and already sold closing code. I also use the strategies and made 2K in sales through DMs and emails. I've had customers reaching out to me interested in digital marketing, but really didn't understand how to land those sales. I'm so pumped. This course has really opened my eyes. Yeah, so frequently asked question, does this work for any niche? Yes, you can't change psychology. Is this affiliate? Yes, you earn 70% every time you sell this course to anyone. That's $157 per sale. Will this work for physical products? Yes, you can use these frameworks to sell anything. Do I need sales experience to use this? Absolutely not. This works even if you've never sold anything before in your life. Will this feel manipulative or salesy? No, it teaches ethics, communication, and trust-based selling. Okay, so here again are some other testimonials. I had my first $300 day last week because of the strategies inside of the buyer psychology model. You all apply these tips and tools, they really do work. Normally, I'm quiet because I'm always on the move. But I wanted to pause and say thank you to Dominique for the system. The closing code didn't just help me go from 8K to over 20K in 30 days. It also gave me the strategies, techniques, and methods that helped her. Okay, so that's a closing code. Let me walk you through the modules that is inside the classroom when you join the closing code. So you've got buyer psychology, niche and target audience. You've got selling mindset, the commodity problem, freebies that sell. So you get some freebies there. Community trust funnel, content strategy, boss offer framework, page to profit, profit for profit code. Let's start again. Posting for profits code, the DM closing code, the story selling code, the email income code, webinars that sell, Tease to transaction, setting yourself apart, main character energy, attracting high quality leads, the convert system, and you unlock the closing code resource vault at level 3 when you join the community inside of school. You've got the AI conversion code, mindset coaching code, and Zoom replay. So all the Zoom calls, you'll be able to watch them there. So these are all the different modules that are sitting inside of the closing code. Okay, so what I'm going to do, because I just started using mine. So I'm going to do a follow-up video as to how I get on with mine and share it with you guys in a couple of months' time. Right, so that's all you get inside of the closing code. So thank you guys again. I've said this before. If well, I don't think I said it earlier on in the video, but if this is your first time joining or watching my video, make sure that you like, share, and subscribe, and show me some love, okay? And watch the next video that's coming up, because that's going to share with you and teach you more of what I'm doing in the digital and affiliate marketing space, and then you'll be able to jump on anything that you see that you like, or drop me a comment and ask me whatever question that you like. I'm on. You can send me a DM on Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok, or YouTube. You can comment on this video on YouTube. Okay, until next time, thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Make sure that you watch the next video that's coming up. It will be pinned, and it will be pinned, so you'll see it at the end coming up. So you can watch that to learn more about what I'm doing in the digital and affiliate marketing space. Until next time, I'll catch you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.